Hi guys, Video Cafe here, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a cappuccino. A cappuccino is one of our finest drinks, and it's the creme de la creme of all Italian culture and Italian-inspired coffee houses. Come take a journey with me into the world of cappuccinos. So first off, step one of making a cappuccino is you gotta draw your espresso shot. So here we have step one. The creme de la creme of all coffee house materials is the espresso grinder. So we're gonna take the grinder. Now that we have tons and plenty of espresso, you're gonna take it and you're gonna get a nice even level. You might want to take some construction classes because we need to know what an even level is. And that's step number one. Then we're gonna do something different. We're gonna stick it in the machine. And then we're going to put it under and let it roar. And while your delicious espresso is being pulled, don't be afraid to dive on into some previous kicks for it to taste a little treat. Now that we got our espresso already in our cup, we're ready to get some of that sweet milk. Pour just a little splash of milk in. You don't need a lot for this drink because it's going to multiply like rabbit. Oh. Now this baby's gonna be real bubbly and real loud, but you keep on going. Wow, look at that nice milk. Like the sands of the Sahara. We're gonna get one of these spoons. Pick your favorite spoon. I like to use the really big ones. And we're gonna scoop it in. Let me get a really good angle for you guys. Nice and full. And sometimes you might even find a little bit of that good stuff. Oh, there it is. Got some good sugar in here. Oh my gosh. Oops. You stir it in really nice. Wow, that looks like a really good cappuccino. And there it is, the perfect cappuccino. Well, thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Like and comment and subscribe to my Facebook page if you would like to keep on watching videos. Then keep watching me. Thank you guys so much. This video was sponsored by Starbucks.